Hey guys, today in this video I will show you or teach you how to can make or convert normal video into portrait video. So if your device doesn't support portrait video in camera, then you can convert your normal video into portrait video using this trick. So for that, at first open Play Store and download this video editor app. I will show you. Search here Vita, this first one, download and install it. And I won't do it again because I have already installed. Now after installing, open this app, and for sample I have these two videos, so I will convert these videos into portrait video. So I will open this Vita app. I will open this Vita app and now press this new project, and I will import this video for sample. And now press this effect, again effect, now this basic section and cinematic. Now hit this, and you can adjust this effect length. I will make it full in full video. Yeah, now press this adjust and make sure this filter is 0 because it changes color of the video. But in case if you like, then you can manage. But if you don't like, you want normal video, I mean you don't want to change the color of your video, then you can make it 0. And this blur is a blur strength, you can adjust according to your choice. As you can get, this is 0, and if I am increasing this blur strength, and here also blur is increasing, 0 full, 0 full. And for you guys I will make it 90, and let's check it out. From here you can adjust resolution of your video. Now hit this export. Our video is ready to watch. I will show you in gallery. This is our new exported video, and this is normal or original video, and this is edited one. As you can see, blur strength is increased. And now I will show you in another video, new project, and I will export this one. I will import this one video, and again same, press this effect, again effect, now basic and cinematic, hit this tick mark and adjust filter. Now press this adjust, and according to condition you can adjust your blur strength. Yeah, that's good. According to situation of this video, this 70% is good. So I will check this resolution, this is good, and now export. Now this video is also ready to use, and let's open gallery. Yeah, that looks good. This is original video without edit, and this is after edit, after adding blur. You can adjust your blur strength according to your video condition or according to your choice.